Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the United Airlines application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So this application provides you to find and book flights for either one-way trips, round trips, or multi-city trips. There are some very good deals that you can find, and you can plan an entire trip for yourself. If you join this community, then you will have some very good advantages, and there's this mileage plus subscription that will further give you discounts and benefits when you're traveling. You can also check your flight status, and you can find some very useful information and features, like you can find the information on check-ins, food and drink, and checked bag charges. So overall it's a very helpful application if you plan on traveling. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.